Hi, I'm Lisa Eitel, Senior Editor with Design World. I'm joined by Executive Editor Lee Teschler of Design World, as well as Contributing Editor Steve Meyer. Today we are at the 22nd Annual National Instruments NI Week here in Austin, Texas. Really exciting event. This is the second day, but the first full day of NI Week. We've seen the announcement of 3 new NI products. The first is LabVIEW 2016. We also saw the announcement today of a new product, a hardware-in-the-loop simulator for engineers writing code for embedded software, as well as a new digital platform with some kind of pattern editing capabilities. And this is essentially to address the demand for non-proprietary automated test equipment. The real draw to NI Week, though, isn't really the new product announcements, as exciting as they are. Really, people come to this event to see all of the applications. One example that we saw this morning that was absolutely fascinating, we saw some engineers from Audi basically showcase how they use NI's LabVIEW as well as a vector signal transceiver. Essentially, they're using these 2 products to optimize radar sensors, and these sensors will be used in autonomous vehicles. We're going to see them, they're coming, but these sensors are already improved in vehicles that have driver assist functions. So really exciting stuff. I'm going to turn it over to you, Lee. Would you tell us some applications that you saw that you found inspiring?
One of the first things I wanted to say before I get to that is a little bit of change affecting social media. In previous years, at NI Week, you'd see the tweets from the show being scrolled across the screen before the keynotes get started. Well, that was all gone this year. But what you did see was in their blog a list of the Pokemon hotspots near the convention center. So, always something new in social media. But I agree, there was a lot of interesting applications on the show floor this afternoon. One in particular concerned medtech. It was a group of students from the University of Leeds in the UK who had developed a robot arm for testing equipment that aided in rehabilitating people with strokes. The robot arm would test the mechanism that the stroke patient would have to move to try to regain muscle tone in his arm and just make sure that the arm was working properly. That's going to be somebody's master's thesis at the University of Leeds, and it was quite an interesting development. So, and I think my colleague Steve also has an interesting development he'd like to talk about.
The thing that I was most impressed with, most of the people that are commenting on Industry 4.0 and the industrial Internet of Things, it's more a theoretical exercise, but in the case of FlowServe came to the show with a state-of-the-art pump that actually is an internet-ready pump control, process control, monitoring system, and actually includes predictive maintenance features that tell you what the life expectancy of the pump is, what the life expectancy of the seals are. Really impressive display of a live application of how the Internet of Things is going to impact industry in the future.
Well, thanks Steve, thanks Lee. We invite you to view all of the NI Week videos that we are posting on designworldonline.com, and thanks for watching.